What is up, Charlie Channel fam? Today I am in my basement once again, and today we are doing a very special video. I'm going to be doing 300 sit-ups for my 300 subscriber celebration. If you guys can remember, this was the very spot that we did our 100 push-ups for our 100th video. We're moving over here. Let's get into it. By the way, also thank you for 300 subscribers. Alright, so here we are on the floor, and unlike last video where we did our 100 push-ups, I'm actually gonna try to keep count this time. So let's go. Here we go. Oh, 40. Okay. Unlike the push-ups video, I didn't sit down. I kept my arms up. I don't know how to not rest, but I don't know. All right, we're 40 in. Let's go. Oh! Oh! Ow, my neck hurts. Why is my neck? Ow. Huh. Alright. Alright, 60, right? Crap. Alright. 60. Oh, but I have to do 60 again, which is 120, plus another 80.
What?
By the way, I also realized that the math I just did equaled 200. I have to do another whole 100 after that. If you guys haven't already, drop a like and subscribe for my abs. 1 like equals 1 extra stamina wheel that I get. Oh shoot, am I 80 or 90? I think I'm at 90. I'm at 80. Ooh, 100. Oh, I will say, I think the 100 push-ups challenge was a little bit more difficult, but if I think about it, I have to do what I just did 2 more times. Oh, I think my feet aren't. Ow! All right, let's go. All right. Ooh. Okay, I really hope I hit record. I want to check if I'm hitting record. Did I hit record? I am recording. Okay, that's good. Ooh. 40. If you guys think I can do it, smash that subscribe button. If you don't think I can do it, hit that subscribe button. For this video and the push-up video, I felt before I started recording, I thought that was such a good idea. I never actually think about the actual video itself and how I'll feel during it. That's why it's fun. Alright, here we go. I'm gonna be honest, I think I messed up during counting there, but I think I'm at 150. I do suck at counting at the gym too. That's the thing I do. Ooh, 174. Hey, I was genuinely counting and I don't know how I went from 167 to just all of a sudden 174. I don't know how I did that, but sorry, I really tried to count and keep track, but yeah, sorry. Oh, we're almost there, everyone. Oh. Oh boy. 200, guys. Very nice. Thank you for all the stamina wheels you guys gave me from liking the video, right? But this is all God, bro. Come on now. I can't do this. Alright. 200. 100 more to go. Okay, my sit-ups are very slow. Oh my gosh. Bro, my abs better be absolutely shredded. $30. Oh, but my hat's ready to fall off. 70 more, guys. Oh, we ain't done. We got 7 times 10 more. Oh, here we go. Blast off for number 30, 231. 3, 2, 1. What's 231? That didn't count. That's 231. $250. Alright, the dogs are coming out. I don't even know if that'll help me or not. I'll probably make it even more difficult. Hopefully I have more grip. I don't even know if those counted. We just did like 30. What? Here we go. Final 20. man. Oh, let's 3 more. Nine. One more just in case I missed any. Alright, so here we are on the floor again, and right now what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be trying to do 100 straight sit-ups without taking any rests or breaks or anything like that. And I'm doing this to try to like make up for the ones that I've lost. So let's get into it. Here we go. Okay, I will admit, I think as soon as I hit like 90, I took like a 1 second like breather, because as I'm doing this, like, I don't know if it was like hard for me to breathe or not, but I needed like a second to like chillax and then like breathe. There you go. Oh my gosh. Oh. I've been doing this for like 20 minutes straight. Well, around 20 minutes, give or take. Let's check the pump. Look at that. Wow. Bro, it feels so like solid right here. Oh, I stretch it. And that is going to be it for this video. So again, I just want to say thank you so much for everybody who subscribed. We reached 300. Thank you for me being able to do a nice workout. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, smash that like button and that subscribe button. Anything you guys would like to see, comment down below. That all being said, thank you and God bless.